Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and Christmas is coming! Today I will share with you a simple but delicious Christmas recipe, gingerbread cookies. In a bowl, add 145 grams unsalted butter and using a hand mixer, beat it for 1 minute at medium speed until creamy. Add 150 grams brown sugar and mix it until fully incorporated. Add 200 grams honey and continue mixing until creamy for about 1 minute. Next, beat in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla on high speed for 2 more minutes. Scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl as needed. In a separate bowl, whisk 430 grams all-purpose flour with 1 tablespoon ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon cloves powder, and 1 teaspoon cardamom. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ones and mix until the dough is formed. The cookie dough will be quite thick and slightly sticky. Divide the dough in half and place each onto a large piece of plastic wrap. Create a disc shape and wrap each piece. Refrigerate them for 3 hours and up to 3 days. I chilled mine overnight. Once ready, transfer the dough on a well-floured surface and roll out a disc. Cut it into your favorite shapes. Remove the dough scraps and re-roll them until the dough is shaped. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line the baking sheets with parchment paper and transfer the shapes. Bake cookies for about 8 to 10 minutes. Allow cookies to cool for 5 minutes on the cookie sheet. Transfer to cooling rack to cool completely. Once completely cool, decorate as desired. This is my favorite gingerbread cookies recipe and I really hope you will try it for Christmas. You will impress your guests for sure. Merry Christmas everyone and bon appetit!